really take time, understand the needs of the customer. Accordingly, you propose what is best available in the market at that given point of time. The second best thing is you do a regular follow. If in case the customer says, okay, meet me, I'm busy right now, or any expiry of any investments, and you remind the customer really need not be worried about when exactly it is expiring. So he obviously by default gets a notification from your team. So that's the best thing. You are good in your field. What you think best is appropriate for the customer's requirement at that given point of time, you suggest. There are things that are beyond your control. Enlightenment about ourselves, our needs, probably was a black gray area. We have a strong relationship. Keep sending to customers regular updates on the market investment opportunities. Holding the customer, guiding him through the right path is correct. So that's the best thing.